Welcome again, people, to MG Sports TV. Hopefully you guys are doing good and you are having a wonderful Sunday. So, Pinnock has stopped Manchester City 25-game unbeaten run. Big thing. Anyways, with a man of the match performance as well. Remember that. Anyways, people, before I get into the video, please do smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're here for the first time, I would thoroughly appreciate it if we get that out of the way as fast as possible. Just do it, a couple seconds, we give it 5 seconds to do it. You know, like button, the thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get a video, you get update as soon as a video drop. Alright, so let's touch on Pinnock, the 29-year-old Jamaica reggae boy, left-sided centre back, who's had a phenomenal season in the Premier League, helping Brentford just maintain their position and stay stable in the Premier League. Now, Brentford is actually a very good team, and you have to say that not all teams that will go and face Brentford is expecting it to be an easy game. Now, people are going to say, hey, Manchester City rests all their players, this and that. Come on. Manchester City has 2-3 teams, the quality that they have, and certainly that performance, you can't take that away from Pinnock. Not only the goal that he scored, but also the defensive masterclass that he put in. He has had a brilliant season, as I said earlier, and I'm telling you, this player is a player to watch for the next 3 seasons. He's 29, and you know, defenders have a longer time period, but at his age, whenever they hit over the 30 bracket, you know, that's when the normal players kind of hit that decline. But he has looked solid, he has looked so strong. I think he's actually possibly one of the best defenders in the Premier League. I've seen it. I can remember at one point when Arsenal was going to recruit in Brentford, they were going from Pinnock, Ivan Toney, and the goalkeeper, I think his name was David Rea. Yeah, those are the players that we're going for. And he's having a brilliant, a really brilliant season. So certainly, I'm happy to see that some of our Reggae Boys are doing so good, and it's refreshing to see that we have these level, quality players out there performing at a decent, or should I say, a good expectancy level. But certainly, it's a good look. Anyways, people, big up Pinnock, wonderful performance and good goal. Definitely stopping Manchester City is always a hard task. And you did that. Brentford did that. Brentford definitely did that. And you did that with a man of the match performance. So, big up, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. And this has been a good one. MG Sports TV, people. We're out. Peace out.